Welcome to part 2 of the video on composite functions. Let's take a look at an example of how to find unknown values. From the diagram, we can observe that when function f has an object of 1, the image will be m. And when function g has an object of m, the image will be n. So the two functions are defined as fx equals to 6 minus 5x and gy is equals to 4y plus 3. We have to find the value of m and n and the value of function gf with object 2. Now let's first find the value of m and n. Now we can start off with the function fx is equals to y. Now substitute the object 1 and the image m into the function. Then put the object of 1 into the function fx. So we get 6 minus 5 times 1 equals to m, and m equals to 1. Now let's move on to function gy is equals to z. Substitute object m and image n into the equation. Then put object m into function g, and we get 4m plus 3 equals to n. We know that m is equals to 1. So we get n equals to 7. Now moving on to part B, let's make function f with object 2 the image of function g. So solve function f with object 2 and we get function g with object of 6 minus 5 multiplied by 2. So after simplifying, we get function g with object negative 4. Now put object of negative 4 into function g and we get 4 multiplied by negative 4 plus 3, which gives us 13. Now let's try and find one of the functions in a given composite function. Given fx equals 2x minus 3 and fgx equals to 7 plus 4x, find function g. Now in order to find function g, we need to use function fg because it contains both function g and function f. Now make function g the object of function f. So substitute gx into function f. So that means gx will be our object of function f. Now bring negative 3 to the other side and we get 2 multiplied function gx equals to 7 plus 4x plus 3. So gx is equals to 10 plus 4x over 2, which gives us 5 plus 2x. Now let's look at another method for determining one of the functions. Given that gx equals to 2 over x minus 1 and fgx equals to 4x plus 1, find the function f. So we start off with function fg because it has both function g and function f. Then we make gx the object of function f. Now the difference between this example and the previous example is that we are trying to find function f, which is on the left. In order to do that, we first need to substitute function gx into the equation. After that, we let y equals to our object of the function, which is 2 over x minus 1. Then we need to rewrite the equation in terms of x. So we get x minus 1 is equals to 2 over y, which gives us x is equals to 2 over y plus 1. Now that we have y in terms of x and x in terms of y, we can then substitute them into the equation. So let's substitute y in terms of x first. So we get fy is equals to 4x plus 1. After that, we substitute x equals to 2 over y plus 1 into the equation, so we get function fy is equals to 4, open bracket 2 over y plus 1, close bracket plus 1. And after simplifying, we get 8 over y plus 4 plus 1, which gives us 8 over y plus 5. Now the last step is to change all of our objects back to x. So change every value of y to x. That gives us function fx is equals to 8 over x plus 5. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and please subscribe for more future videos.